Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on understanding quadrilaterals, chapter 3.3, problem number 7. The following figure, guns and runs are parallelograms. So this is the guns figure and this is the runs figure. Find x and y. So both the lengths are given in centimeters. So we need to find x and y. Here also x and y we need to find out. So let me take the guns diagram first, right? So both are parallelograms. Okay. So it is very simple. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, right? So using that property, we can find out x and y in the first problem. Opposite sides are equal, right? So these two are opposite sides. So we have 3x equal to 18. Similarly, these two sides are opposite. So we can write these two are equal. That is 3y minus 1 equal to 26. So 3x equal to 18. So x equal to 18 by 3, which is nothing but 6. Similarly, 3y is equal to 26 plus 1. 3y is equal to 27. Y is equal to 27 by 3, which is nothing but 9. So y equal to 9 centimeter, x equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. So this is about the first problem. And then coming to the second problem, that is runs parallelogram. Okay. So when we see the parallelogram, here they have given that two diagonals, right? So and we have the property in the parallelogram that diagonals bisect each other, right? Generally in parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Okay. So this is one diagonal. SU is one diagonal, RN is one diagonal. Both bisect each other at this point. So let me take this point as O. Okay, when they bisect each other at this point O, I can say that this length, that is OU and OS, are equal. Similarly, OR and ON are equal, right? So since the diagonals bisect each other, I can say that OS equal to OU. So what is OS? It is 20, right? And OU is what? Y plus 7. So y plus 7, which is equal to 20. Okay. So what is y? Y is 20 minus 7, which is nothing but 13. So y is equal to 13. Similarly, I can write that ON is equal to OR. ON is equal to OR, which implies ON. What is ON? X plus Y. What is OR? Which is equal to 16. And already I have determined Y value, so I can substitute here. X plus 13 is equal to 16. So X is equal to 16 minus 13, which is nothing but 3. Right? 3 centimeter. Here it is 13 centimeter. Okay. So this is your solution for the given problem. Thank you. Thanks for watching.